Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Major 5 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a soft reset or a force restart, basically a power cycle where it disconnects the battery momentarily and then reconnects it to clear out any errors that are on it. Now you might want to do this, if it's unresponsive, if it's not pairing, if it says that it's paired but it's not working, things like that. But you're not trying to do a factory reset. You're not trying to delete the pairing history. You're basically just forcing it to turn off and turn back on to try to get everything fixed on it. So what we want to do this is all we need to do is come in and press and hold this control jog button here for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds it will force this headset to restart no matter what's going on, and hopefully that'll fix your issue. Now if it doesn't fix your issue, I recommend you move on to a actual full factory reset, and I'll put a link in the description to a quick video that shows you how to do that. And if this fixed your issue, if you could drop me a like on the video, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.